Hello friend. So today we are going to discuss about the intent in the Android. What is the role of the intent and what is the intent? So intent is basically intent in the an abstract description which is mostly used to interact between the Android component. So we know about the Android have four component. First one the activity, second one services, third one the broadcast receiver, and fourth one is the content provider. So what is the role of the intent? Intent is an abstract description which is perform the action, and also it is used to interact between Android component. It means intent also used to interact with the activity to activity, services to services, and create a broadcast, send broadcast, and here the content provider. So it is used to interact from one activity to another activity, one service to another activity, one service to the another services, to send the broadcast, and in also in the content provider. Either it's also used to use the interaction. It means activity to services, services to activity, activity to the broadcast, from activity to send the broadcast, from the services to send broadcast, and in broadcast you can create a service, in broadcast you can create a new activity, so vice versa. So intent is basically an abstract description class which is used to move from interact or communicate between the Android components. So from components, so this is one component and this is another component A and component B. This component might be anything like activity, services, broadcast, receiver, and content provider. And here also the same thing, like it can be also activity, services, broadcast, receiver, and content provider. Okay, so when you use to communicate from one activity to either one activity to another activity or one component to the another component, so you have to use the intent. So via intent you can communicate from one component to the another. The component might be activity to activity, services to services, broadcast to broadcast, and component content provider to content provider, or vice versa. Activity to services, services to broadcast, and activity services to activity, activity to broadcast. It can be anything. So don't confuse about this one. You can use the intent to move from any component from anywhere. So how we are move intent, how can we utilize intent? So there are two component, one A and another B. So this is the activity, just suppose this is the activity and this is also activity. So how you navigate from one activity to another, it's used from the intent and start activity and pass here the intent. So its intent contain from and to. From means context and to class. So from which context and to where. So you have to use the intent to move from one to the another. Okay, and if you want to use A and B, if you want to share a data, if you want to pass a data from activity A to B, you have to use intent also. So intent is the abstract description to interact between the activities and the component, and also you can carry a data from A to B, like object of intent dot put, and here key and value. Value could be anything, like according to your need, according to your situation. It can be integer, string, array, and float, double, just. And when you reach here, and after that you can get all the value according to your key, what you are passing from here, what you are passing in the intent key, and you can get it from here with the key. So this is all about the intent. So what is the role of intent, how it is useful, and how we communicate from the one activity to another activity, one service to another services, one service to activity to service, anything. So this is all about the intent. So intent is basically an abstract description which is used to communicate between the components or activities, services, broadcast, anything. So that's it. Thank you. You have any question, just let me in the comment box. That's it. Thank you.